Hey. Oh, let's walk. So we're out and about.
Out and about.
Yeah.
It's the anniversary week.
Yes, weekend.
Getting ready for the second year.
Yeah. So we are in day 1 of second year. We're already counting. Come on. No, man.
I'm still here.
Hey.
Where are we?
Would you like to say?
All I know is the new zip code.
Oh, dear God.
New Rochelle. Main Street.
No, we're far. Oh, no, me are the reality check lady. Yeah, he came in and hold on, please.
So you enjoy your lunch?
Yeah, it was nice.
Okay.
Had a good lunch.
Would you go there again?
Any day.
We have the same thing again?
Not necessarily.
I don't think my burger was big enough.
You chose burger.
Like I said before,
I knew I was hungry.
I knew I was going to be hungry when I was finished eating. So can you go home for dinner, please?
I've already eaten now for the day.
Okay.
Yeah. So, over and out, everybody. Say bye.
Bye, everybody.